I can be very noisy, but I like living in a very quiet environment. That's ironical though. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a video of my room, showing you guys my room in the student hostel and telling you guys why I like this room. And I think I like this room.
There's nothing I hate about this place. So just
Telling you guys why I like the room and how comfortable I feel in here. So normally I live on the first floor and I'm taking you guys now to my room. That's how the corridor looks like. And here, my door. This is the main door, and the first thing you see when you enter my room is this, where I keep my shoes. I didn't have any place, like I didn't have any idea of how I could keep my shoes, so I decided to take a shoe regal where I could just like arrange all my shoes and make it easy for me to dress when I wish to go out. Since I'm a hairdresser, like I do braids, this is where I keep all the stuffs for my braiding. This is where I take my bath, my mirror where I brush, where I keep some few stuffs like extra toothbrush and toiletries. After my bathroom, we have the kitchen space. So this is where I cook. My pot is still empty. I haven't had time to to cook something. Yeah, my spoons, and that's my Vasa kocha. I don't know the name in English. Forgotten. So this is my fridge. Empty. I haven't had time to do some groceries as well. So now I'll open each cupboard to show you guys what's inside. I definitely love Cameroon food, so I always have stuff from Cameroon. That's my arrow, red oil, honey from Cameroon, ginger, dry fish, crayfish, etc. This is where I keep my plates and oil. And this is basically for baking. I love baking cakes. That's where I keep my glasses and my spices, mostly from Cameroon. I use this space because I didn't have enough space to keep some extra stuff, so I just packed them here so that my things will not be hanging anyhow on the floor, and makes the room very depressing. This is basically where I sleep. The princess sleeps here. I love this decoration. A small oratory. I'm a Catholic, as you can see, and I had to arrange where I usually pray. That's my candle, my Bible, my rosaries, and some saints I love and admire a lot. Yeah. My favorite animal, a tiger. It represents a lot to me. So I had to have it in my room as well. What I love about my room is the view. I love my view a lot, and I tried as much as possible to really customize my house, make it look very, very cozy for me. So this is where I study, my laptop, and where I could eat as well when I feel as eating on the table, because I usually love eating sitting on my carpet. Mm. You'll find messages everywhere, like in my wardrobe. Never stop dreaming. That's my. I thought it wise to arrange my wigs like this. I have dreadlocks, but I sometimes like putting on wigs just to change my look a little. So I put on my wigs this way. Just need to arrange them when I feel as putting them on and I have to go out. Put them here. I didn't have any other place to keep them. This is my wardrobe where I keep my some African prints, because I still have a lot of dresses in these boxes. Just don't like when my wardrobe is so full. So some few trousers and the belt, some few jackets. The winter jackets are already in the boxes. These are just jackets for spring when it's a little bit cold. And under I put my bags. I like keeping like folding my dresses in colors. My caps, and I like this place because it's close to the tram and bus stops. It makes things easy for me, especially when I'm late, because I'm a very big late comer. I can just sit like that. I prepare to go out like 10 minutes before. I don't know what I'll be doing, but I always leave the house like 2 minutes before. So I'm always running, always running. And since the bus stop is close to my place, I always catch the tram. That's a very good thing about this place. And secondly, there's one shopping center here, Neto, which is basically for groceries and other stuffs. Just 2 minutes from me. I like it though, because if I want to cook something fast and I have nothing home, I just go there and I grab the stuff I'm to use, and the problem is solved. And the environment here is very cool, very quiet. It goes along with a lot of peace and reflections. What I need sometimes when I feel uninspired. The good thing about this place is also that it's not really expensive, just 245 euros. I'm saying just because elsewhere this room will be more expensive. I can have it at this price because it's first of all a student hostel, so it comes half equipped. Just need to bring in some one or two stuff, but you always find your wardrobe, your regal, your bed, and your kitchen, like kitchen stuffs. Just need to buy some few decorative stuff to make your place cool. So it makes things easy for you to be comfortable where you are. Just need to have the will to do that. I also have a balcony if I want to take some fresh air, I'll just go there and do that. But it's so cold these days. I've never been there. It's so cold. Maybe when it start getting sunny, I'll be going there. This is where this video ends today. Thank you for watching. Comment for more inquiries. I'll be glad to reply to your comments, and subscribe for more contents to come. Stay safe and bye.